So today, my pals here, and he has his brother Ratchet, and he's in here, right here. Hey Ratchet, hey Ratchet, hi Ratchet. Okay, let me go open the door.
Watch out.
Ratchet, hi buddy. Hey Ratchet. Oh, that's Gus's brother, you know. That's Gus's brother, you know. And guys, you may don't know that that Ratchet is my dog's brother. Hi Ratchet. Yeah, I know he looks like Bailey, but that's a boy. Look how yeah, he's a hyper dog.
Huh?
Nothing. Hey Ratchet. Let go, Gus. Let go. Let go of the stick, boy. Look at them. Oh, go, Ratchet, go! Gus is happy to see Ratchet. He wants that stick. Crazy boy. Hi, Ratchet. Gus wants that stick. Go, Gussie, go, Ratchet. Go, Gus and Ratchet, go. Here they come. Look at them. Go get the stick. Go get the stick. They're fighting over it. Hi, Ratchet. Hi, Ratchet. Hi, Ratchet. Hi, Ratchet. Oh, hi, Ratchet. Hi, Ratchet. Hi, Ratchet. Crazy hyper dog.
You think he's hyper?
He is hyper. Not like Bailey. She's not hyper. Like Ratchet is. Yeah, you're a hyper dog. Go get the pine cone. Ready for the pine cone? Go get the pine cone. Get the ball instead. Get the pine cone. And get the ball. Make a good throw.
Huh?
Whoa. Calm down, Ratchet. Calm down. They're fighting over the ball. Pause. Okay, it's time to train him. I already trained Gus. He knows how to do everything. And Ratchet, he trains too. Sit, Gus, sit. Sit. Got slobber all over it. Down, Ratchet, down. Down, Ratchet, down. Down. No barks. Easy. Ah, took my hand. Okay, Gus. Okay, Gussie. Gussie. Okay, your turn, Gus. Your turn. Sit. God, my hands are turning pink. Okay, Gussie. Sit. Easy, Gus. Good boys. Good boys. Good boys. Okay, are you ready for the ball? Are you ready for the big ball? Okay, Ratchet. No barks. No barks. No barks. Ratchet, no barks. Go get the ball. They both run fast. But here he comes. Here they come. Look at the puppy. Look at the pup. Hey, Gussie. Hey, Ratchet. It doesn't want me to... Gussie. Gussie. Good boy. Okay. Ratchet. Ratchety. Oh. Good Ratchet. Good Ratchet. Here's a good Ratchet. Get the ball. Good boy, Gus. Good boy. Oh, hi, Gus. Come on, Gus. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Easy. Give it out. Give it up. Okay. Ratchet caught it. Good boy. And sometimes they both like to fight too. Like I said, he is his brother. They're both brothers. They both are. Nope, Ratchet, we're all done. We're all done. We're all done. I know that wasn't enough, but we're all done. We're all done, dogs. We're all done. We're all done. Yeah, Gus. We're all done. Gus, you want some water? Go get the water. Oh no, it's frozen. Oh man, it's frozen. Hi, Ratchet. They're not. Oh, look at them. Crazy dogs. Hi, Ratchet. Like, my grandfather has a picture of both of these guys fighting when they were puppies on his phone. I still remember the times that I got to see Gus and Ratchet when they were puppies. Oh, Ratchets are not sharing. He's taking a whole bucket. But both of you were drinking together, right? Right, pups? Right? Right? Right, puppies? Go, Hey, puppies. Okay. See if I can try and get them to fight. I want them to fight. Have another big fight. There's lots of sticks over here on my pen where I took down the queen spider. Well, Gussie, go get that stick. Get that stick. Fight over it. Gussie. Oh, they're fighting over it. Gus, Ratchet. Look, Gus has the stick. They're not sharing. They don't share sticks. They don't. Okay. What? Go get that stick. They didn't see it. They didn't see where it landed.